What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got my OBS there. Got the 5.3 out of the O2 Tahoe I pulled out. It's got, we put new lifters in it, new head gaskets. Everything else is the same. It is going to get a new water pump and some other extremities, but we got it here. We finally got everything to put it in the truck and get it bolted up to the OEM 4L60E that's in here. Now, a lot of people have problems with these transmissions, especially in this body style. This one has less than a mile on it, so I think it should be all right. We got a couple things we got to do. I've got to get the exhaust mat, the Y pipe here for the factory 350 out. And then we got to get our Dirty Dingo mounts, motor mounts, bolted up here. And we also, where I have a dished flywheel, I've got to oval out these torque converter bolts so they will mate up with the torque converter that's in the stock transmission. I do have the adapter sleeve from ITC Billet that goes over the snout of the torque converter into the snout of the crank, so we're all good there. Torque converter bolts, yeah, we've got everything. So hopefully in this video I'm able to get that flywheel burred out and get it stabbed in the truck. So stick around, it's gonna be a good one. What I'm going to use to burr these out, I went to Harbor Freight and I got some of these coarse tooth rotary rasp file set, and they're just burrs that go on a die grinder. So we're going to hook it up to the air compressor, stick it in here, wall these holes out about 3/8 of an inch, maybe a little less, just that way they line up with the ball holes on the torque converter and the 4L60E.